Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, this is your biology teacher, Mrs. Sobia Azhar here. You are all welcome to this online class of biology from Government Degree College, F Block, Rawalpindi. As per instructions of Punjab government, your online classes have been started regarding the present conditions of COVID pandemic. Dear students, as I can see, not all of the class has joined this group. Please do contact to your classmates and inform them about these online classes. I am also trying to contact them. Please do share their contact numbers with names in this group if you have any. Today, I will give you a complete introduction that how your online classes are going to proceed. You can see over here, there are the first chart shows you the ways to approach your online lectures. We have 3 ways. First way is obviously this WhatsApp group in which all of you are present and I am talking to you, and the lectures will be uploaded over here and you can follow these lectures. Second is the Google Drive. Its link is given and I'll share the link in the group too. The third way to approach your online lectures is the college channel, whose link is given, and I'll separately mention the link in the group also. So these are the 3 ways where you can get your online lectures and you can listen to them and you can follow them. Now after that, the most important thing which I want you to know and you to understand, that how your online class schedule is going to proceed. The lectures of biology, they will be uploaded by Mrs. Sobia Azhar on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Mrs. Safia Malik on Tuesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Please keep, the second important thing is your attendance. Please keep in mind that your attendance is as important as it used to be in college, because your teachers are going to mark your attendance, that whether you have listened to the lecture and whether you were present in the lecture, and you all know that what is the importance of attendance, right? Then next thing is the task or the assignments. When you listen, when you have completed listening the whole lecture, at the end of the lecture, the teachers are going to assign you some task. It may be in the form of question answers, it can be an assignment, or whatever the task teacher gives you. You can upload your work at your ease in the group within 2 days. Whatever the work is given to you, you all are going to upload your work in this group within 2 days. Then the other important thing is after the lectures, the other important thing is the test. Now, as far as the test, when the required amount of syllabus has been covered, then your tests will be conducted as it used to be in college in the forms of pre-send-ups. And of course, second year, you all do know what was the importance of the pre-send-ups in the college. So you should follow the routine and you should follow your work very carefully. Depending upon the circumstances, we'll inform you about the test conduction procedure, that whether we are going to call you to the college for the test or whatsoever procedure will be feasible at that time. Third important thing is the online the students' issues which you are going to face while you are converting your method on online class. For this, first thing is the syllabus. Syllabus, you all know that the Punjab Textbook Board syllabus. You can purchase the books from of biology of second year, and that is your assigned syllabus. Now, you can either buy the books, or I am also sharing in the group a link for downloading the books online. This will be this link is also shared. If you can't buy or if you can't find the books from the market, you can download your book from the net. Secondly, I'll advise you to purchase objective books also. You can buy any author objective book, but Azim's Azim objective book of FSC Part 2 is good as far as I have seen yet. That book is good. You can and you are supposed to buy these objective books because after every chapter you know that you are going to do its objective work also. The other issue which you are students are going to face is the net approach. Many of the students will say that we don't have net, we can't afford the expenses of net. For this problem, if the students find it difficult in terms of expenses for the net, for your ease, I am also sharing the cheapest monthly WhatsApp offers of different mobile companies in group. These offers are less than 50 rupees and you can avail them easily. They are very cheap, only for rupees 50 or even less for rupees 5 or rupees 30, etc. The link which I am going to share, you can just see it in the group. So you can have the this WhatsApp offer and you can find out your lectures available over there. The third thing is the queries, because when in the class we used to give you the lecture, if you were not able to understand anything, you asked us directly. Same is the case over here. You do listen to the lectures very keenly. If you feel you don't understand anything, ask me in the group. I'll try to respond you as early as possible. The last thing is the task. Whatever task you will be assigned by your teacher, do follow it and upload your work within 2 days. So this is all the introduction about how your online classes are going to proceed. In the last, I would request that those of your friends or the classmates who are not still part of the group, please try to contact them and let them know that their classes have started, and so that we can start our syllabus from tomorrow onward. And the first chapter of homeostasis, we are going to start with that. So I would like you people to I'll give you some time. You buy the books, you download the books, whatever means you get, and then you just go through it once, so that when you are going to listen the lecture, it will be easy for you to follow it. I hope that on my account I have tried to explain you very deeply that how you are going to now proceed your studies further. If still there are any queries, or if still there is any question or any problem which is unleft by me, or which has been just overseen, so you can ask me in the group. Thank you. Take care. Take good care of yourselves and be safe. And inshallah ta'ala, start your work and start your studies without the waste of time. Allah Hafiz.